Have you ever wondered if there's gold in your backyard? Well, you might be sitting on a gold mine and not even know it. Imagine a treasure trove beneath your feet waiting to be discovered. Sure, it's not an everyday find, but who's to say you're not the lucky one? Today, we're going to explore this exciting possibility and walk you through a step-by-step guide to prospecting gold right from your backyard. So, are you ready to become a backyard gold prospector? Let's dig into the details. Finding gold is not a stroll in the park. It involves a systematic process and some serious digging. The first step is prospecting, where you'll need to carefully examine your backyard for signs of gold. This might be quartz veins, changes in soil color, or even an old gold mine map. Once you've identified a promising spot, it's time to start digging. But here's the reality check. You might have to process dozens of tons of dirt to find just 1 gram of gold. That's about the weight of 4 elephants. Mining and processing this amount of dirt can cost you a hefty amount, possibly thousands of dollars. But the potential profit, well, with gold prices soaring, that 1 gram could fetch a pretty penny. Remember, it's not about striking gold on your first dig, it's about the thrill of the hunt. If surface prospecting doesn't yield results, it's time to go deeper, literally. Digging tunnels underground is the next step, but it requires careful planning and the right equipment. First, you'll need a sturdy shovel, a pickaxe, and a headlamp for visibility. Later on, you might also want to use a tunnel boring machine. Safety gear like a helmet and gloves are also essential. Now, the depth to start digging depends on your area, but gold veins or mother lodes typically lie between 3 to 9 meters under the surface. It's crucial to ensure the tunnel's stability by using supports and never dig alone. Always have a buddy system in place. And remember, while the prospect of finding gold is exciting, it's not worth risking your life. Prospecting gold in your backyard isn't just about the glimmer of potential wealth, it's also about the adventure and the possibility of discovering something new.